It is race day Sunday, albeit a chilly, not typical Southern California race day.
Even the most veteran and experienced racers will tell you the nerves and jitters before first round are immense. In fact, it was Big Daddy Don Garlitz who once said the toughest round to get past was the first round. Let's explore those pre-race jitters in this video.
It is Sunday. It is first round. Sharky, it's been a tough weekend for you guys wrenching. How you feeling?
Feeling pretty good this morning. Hopefully we got everything fixed. We had a lot of gremlins. Just things break.
Take me in the mindset of a competitor. It's Sunday morning. What are those jitters like? What's that anxiety like? The excitement, maybe?
I don't really get the jitters. You know? I try to focus on what I need to go do. You know, if you keep thinking about the bike, you'll overthink it, and I'm bad about that. So I just trying to stay calm.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah. That last couple hundred. That's the time. Van Services. I'm really excited to be here for the 60th anniversary.
Well, as you can hear by that noise, yes, it is race day Sunday. Ty, take me inside the mind of a competitor. First time this year you get to head into eliminations. How you feeling?
Well, it's like all of them. You know, you got the first round jitters, and you know, you want to get up there, get through it, and definitely, hopefully, win. And then it gets a little better for the second round and hopefully the final round. But it's a brand new season, a lot of new stuff, getting bugs worked out, and I'm just hoping for the best. But I feel good about it. Got good people, good equipment.
You had some breakage yesterday, major thrash. Is that on your mind at all, the fact that the team had to put this bike back together?
No, I think it actually gives me confidence. We found a couple things, and so, you know, it's something you can point to it, and you know, we got one bug that we don't know is fixed, but all the other stuff we know is fixed. So I feel real good about that, and it'll just put a little extra pressure on me. So I'm going to get out there and definitely thumb it. I'm not going to rely on it to do it itself, because that's the issue we've been having. So that's a little more pressure, but go out there and do it and hope for the best.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Rich Vreeland, it is the first elimination round of the year. How are you feeling? Take me inside your psyche here.
Well, I mean, we qualified number 8 on the Dream Chaser Racing Circle 1 Solar Top Fuel Harley, so we're on the bottom half of the ladder. Lots of jitters, lots of stomach stuff going on here, but getting anxious. We're getting ready to go. You know, I don't mind being number 8 against number 1, because sometimes when you're number 1, you're pushing the limit, you know, and so we're just gonna go out there and try to make a good, clean, straight, consistent pass and look for a win light. I'd like to say that I could eat lunch before we go, but I'm not ready to eat anything right now. I'm just gonna get it all together, and in a couple minutes I'm gonna get on the bike. I'm gonna get into my office and just do what I have to do. But certainly the first race of the year, our first national event as a team. I would be lying if I didn't say I've got a couple jitters.
We wish you the best.
Thanks, Chad.
You got the gloves and that helmet.
Let's hear that again.
Hey, whatever it takes, right? Don't forget with these Nitro Harleys, you're talking about 1,000 pounds, 1,000 horsepower, nitromethane, and oh, by the way, no seatbelt, no roll cage. Hold on and focus.
line down and closer too, so my heel who grabbed it originally was too high. So I did the same thing. That just makes me feel uncomfortable. What are you doing, Dad? Are you being a wise gal?
To our first elimination round of the season, Tim Kerrigan and Rickey House. And Kerrigan pulls the upset left-hand lane. You never know what's going to happen out here on race day.
Former champion who took 18 years off to raise a family.
Take another look.
667.3 at 201 miles per hour.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you, Jack.
Tii Tharpe was also able to advance, as was Jay the Bulldog Turner, despite some problems there.
Doing 694.8, 152, take the win.
And finally, Randall Andrus, who clocked the victory. Much more coming from the Lucas Oil Winternationals. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing to CycleDrag on YouTube. Thank you for the likes, the shares, the comments, and thank you for also liking CycleDrag.com on Facebook. Share it with your friends. If you keep it growing, we're going to keep bringing you awesome stuff like this. Thanks a lot. Yes, indeed. It was an event to remember. The 60th annual Lucas Oil Winternationals presented to you by Protect the Harvest. It was thrilling. It was unpredictable. And it was one that will go down in the history books as a thrilling, exciting start to the season. Much more coming. Make sure you are subscribed, like, leave us your feedback, comment where you're watching from. We love to read your feedback. Coverage rolls on.